Welcome back.
Email Sendex works beautifully solo, but it's even better with a team. In this video, we'll invite teammates and explain exactly what each role can do. From the sidebar, open Settings and click the Team tab. This is your control center for everyone in the workspace. At the top, you'll see your current members. Each row shows their avatar, name and email, the role they hold as a badge, and the date they joined. To add someone, head to the Invite section. Type your teammate's email address into the email field. Then pick a role from the selector. We'll dig into each one in a moment. For now, let's choose Editor. Now click Send Invite. Email Sendex emails your teammate a link to join the workspace. Until they accept, the invite sits in the Pending Invites list. If it gets lost, click Resend, and if you invited the wrong person, Revoke cancels it instantly. So there are 3 roles. An admin has full access, managing the team, providers, settings, and billing, right up to deleting the workspace. An editor builds and edits campaigns and manages contacts, but stays out of billing and settings. And a member is the most limited role, ideal for someone who mainly needs to keep an eye on results. A good habit, give each person the smallest role that still lets them do their job. One handy tip before we move on. If you ever need to give a client a window into their own workspace, the member role is your safe choice. It's the most limited of the 3, so a client can follow their results without changing anything that matters. Roles aren't fixed. To change someone's access, find them in the members list and pick a new role from their row. It updates straight away. And to remove someone, use the Remove action on their row. That's your team setup with the right access for everyone. Next, let's add custom fields so your contacts can hold exactly the data you need.